This is the brand new Google Pixel 10 Pro in what I think is the nicest color, Jade. In this video, I'm going to unbox the phone and point out some of its coolest features. Just like the Pixel 9 Pro, in 2025 with the launch of the Pixel 10 Pro, we get two different screen sizes, a 6.3 and a 6.8 inch display. Inside of the box you will find a lone USB-C cable, no SIM card removal tool, or even that little adapter to convert from USB Type A to USB-C devices. Here's a better look at the Jade finish. I've seen all of the finishes on the Pixel 10 Pro, and this one stands out as being the best looking in my opinion. On one side, you'll find no buttons, which really shows off the polished aluminum frame. On the other side, you'll find a main button as well as the volume buttons. The look of the camera bar remains the same, and actually quite a few of the camera features are the same compared to the Pixel 9 Pros from last year, although with these ones, you get a 100 times zoom instead of just a 30 times zoom. But overall, the physical design looks quite a bit like last year's Pro model that you can see here, but I guess this is a case of if it's not broke, don't fix it. Google also announced a couple of new accessories alongside of the new Pixel 10s, including a new color of Moonstone for the Pro Buds 2, as well as this new type of charger. The Pixel Snap charger works with a new line of accessories for your Google devices and uses Qi 2 wireless charging. That is a quick introduction to the Google Pixel 10 Pro. What do you think of this phone? If you want to know a little bit more about some of the other models, ahead of their release, I got to go down to Google's Canada headquarters in Toronto and go hands-on with all of the Pixel devices, including the Fold and the new earbuds. So check out my YouTube video for a bigger overview of all the Pixel devices that are coming. If you have any questions about any of these devices, make sure to leave a note in the comments section.